equipment, every gun here feels off.
Thanks a million.
A monster job is what we need to rattle safe. That girl has everything wrong with her lives. I want to take her down.
You won't believe what they're doing with that bliss now. Dumping it right into the drinking water.
Any trouble finding the stuff? Would have taken me months. Faith's angels might as well be walking corpses. Too far gone to bring back once you get that much bliss in you. But with this stuff, we might be able to just herd them out of the way. Once it's ready, do you think you can give it a field test? I'm positive it'll work, like 95% positive, but we still need to make sure.
Ẩu y đấy à.
Look, I haven't done a whole lot right recently, but this is gonna change that pattern. Just need to test it out and make sure it works. The cult's using the angels to harvest the bliss flowers at a nearby farm. I tested out there. Those things can freak out easily though. So, go in quietly, set the bait down, and get back to safety. I'm like, okay, maybe 75% sure the formula is correct, so, you know, be careful.
One day I'll be brave enough to tell Charles how I really feel about it.
Deputy, we're sent for a trial run.
You might even be impressed with your old man. I got everyone wearing...
Glad you were at the jail to help out the kids.
Well, I should thank Eden's Gate for my gun skills. Fuckers taught me to clean, load, and fire them.
I really think Charles should wander off like he does.
Once Faith gets her hooks into you,
Watch while the cult butchers helpless creatures. It's immoral. Deputy, we're set for a trial run.
Howdy,
hey
miss.
guy. How's it
Hello
going,
there,
mister?
missy.
You must be busy. So many roads to choose. What to believe? Who to help first? When to trust? When you find the path, you'll see clearly. Come with me and I'll show you the path.
This is Kim Rye calling out to Nick and the deputy. When you get a chance, can you please swing by the house? Please? No emergency or anything. Yet?
Deputy, it's Doc. Just wanted to remind you not to disturb the angels. If you upset them, you won't be able to test the experimental bait. They'll ignore it, and you'll be left with a rabid horde. positive I added adrenochrome to the bait mixture, but the problem is, I'm staring at a full vial right now. Maybe I didn't put it in? No idea how that might affect the results. As long as you haven't put the bait down yet, we could re-examine our plan. Let me think about this for a second.
You can count on me! Understood!
concentration of pheromones drawn from the subjects infused with the bliss. I can get it from the hides of animals who've gorged on it. Collect what you can and bring me new samples. Man, glad I figured this out before you use the bad batch. I'm 75% sure this will work.
Where the fuck is Nick? Oh!
Oh, what the hell's going on, Kim?
It's all man.
Oh, give me your hand. Our little girl has decided it's time.
No. Nick Jr.'s not due for another week. Ow, Kim, you're hurting my hand. You're hurting my hand.
We gotta get into the car.
Come on. Oh, ow. You are so strong. Okay. Hey, Deputy, you're driving.
Let go! Oh, God.
Okay. Hang a left when you get out.
Ah, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Driving music.
Nick,
You're gonna be okay. The deputy knows how to drive.
just drive.
Casey taught me some stress-reducing breathing techniques. Ow! Ow! Jeez, get my hand!
Go! Go! Go!
Go left!
Hurry!
Go right! Pedal to the metal! See? This ain't so bad.
Yeah? You wanna switch roles?
I mean, no. I was just saying, jeez. This is crazy!
Calm down, Nick!
I am calm. I'm just freaking out and calm at the same time, you know, like a contraction.
Oh, it's a contradiction!
Nhà mà mãi có cô ở bắc du lịch sân cây.
It's over.
Cháu Hòa.
Oh no, hang tight, kid.
Để vô từng con cuộc thân này được sang đây thêm nhiều
Stop
của
here!
con.
What is going on? This makes no
機關槍無限，
Oh,
火
you know
箭有
what?
限。
I think it's a full moon. That explains it. Just hang a left at the bridge. After that, it's just straight ahead.
What's that?
That's a plane, kid.
Why is it on fire?
We're gonna make it. Floor it, deputy.
We made it! We made it!
Kim, you okay?
No, I am not okay. None of this is
All right, partner.
okay.
It's just up ahead. There's a shortcut through the woods.
No shortcut. Hang a right, then a left. Stay on the main road.
Take the shortcut.
Stay on the road.
Shortcut.
Make a choice. Go!
Right. Through those trees.
Look out! Deer!
Shit. I forgot about the deer.
This isn't safe. Hurry up!
Right here. Pull up. Hurry.
Này mà bán cái menu sợ.
Hey. Want to come meet your goddaughter? She's so beautiful. Well, looks like I am gonna have to change the name of my business after all, huh?
You probably don't hear this enough, but thank you for everything that you've done. Whatever you need, we'll be there for you.
Come on. Let's get you home.
Nick, right? I wanted to leave a message for the doc or the
to make sure that our baby comes out a boy? Do you know anything about that? If you do, can you call me back?
Give me the tools, I'll fix anything to rattle Faith. That girl has every peg drunk on her lies. I want to take her down a notch. Thanks for the info. We're good. Hello? Hey. Sorry about before. Wasn't cool. Ask anyone here. I do tough really good, but the rest, well, I'm working on it. So, restart. Welcome. You'll like the team we got. Everyone's strong, and we need to be with what's beyond those walls. I hope Earl's right about you. We've all been trying to figure out how to crush Eden's Gate. You ask me, it starts with Faith. At least that's what she's calling herself these days. You seen that giant statue on the hill? Of course you have. You can't miss it. Good old Joseph Seed, the father. Faith had her groupies build that concrete eyesore for her sick pilgrimage. You seen them? Those sad fuckers marching their way to that statue? It's horrible. We gotta tear down that statue. Let all those Peggies know their father ain't no fucking god. He's just a man. What do you say, Rook? Go drive a big fuck you size hole into that thing.
Should've got new boots. Fucking hate shopping though.
I'll figure it out. Goddamn. We can see your work all the way at the prison. Goodbye to that waste of concrete. Hey, if you're looking to cause more trouble, I got an idea. Faith keeps her personal copy of Joseph's ramblings inside that thing. Climb inside that statue and burn those papers. Show her what happens when you fuck with the wrong people. Goddamn. We can see your work all the way at the prison. Goodbye to that waste of concrete. Hey, if you're looking to cause more trouble, I got an idea. Faith keeps her personal copy of Joseph's ramblings inside that thing. Climb inside that statue and burn those papers. Show her what happens when you fuck with the wrong people. You'll see a bunch of ladders leading to the top. Find the levers and give him a hard twist. That'll drop him for you.
I'm going in quick! Go for it!
Goddamn. We can see your work all the way at the prison. Goodbye to that waste of concrete. Hey, if you're looking to cause more trouble, I got an idea. Faith keeps her personal copy of Joseph's ramblings inside that thing. Climb inside that statue and burn those papers. Show her what happens when you fuck with the wrong people.
Changing position! Got it!
Watch the skies. You got some choppers flying your way.
I won't let you.
partner? I'm gonna kindle a holy fire in your bones here!
See a bunch of ladders leading to the top. Find the levers and give him a hard twist. That'll drop him for you. Patrols say there's more choppers headed your way. Stay sharp.
I see what you've done. I know what you're doing. I'm not angry, but I'm disappointed. My people are coming to show you my displeasure. Look down there! Remember, y'all, the only way we're gonna get peace here is with a lot of wars. Kill themselves there. That's just dumb. My dad used to say, guns are like condoms. I still don't know what the hell he meant by that.
What have you done? His words.
Stay clear of the mist. That's
Don't
just
you
bad
understand
news.
what he'll do to me?
That was fucking beautiful. Joseph C. is gonna be shitting bricks, and Faith is gonna feel the heat now. She'll need to answer for that burned book and that mangled effigy. Hell of a job.
They know it.
There's a deep shadow over this valley. You really turned the tide for us at that jail.
We're missing Katrina. Last 2 days, we've had a few people go missing. Only from what we can tell, they weren't lost in the Bliss. There's been rumors of some place run by Faith's favorites. The kind of place nobody comes back from. Torture, drownings, sacrifices. People say anyone who doesn't walk Faith's little pilgrimage winds up there. I think we got a real problem on our hands, and I need someone to check it out. Someone who can handle themselves if it turns out to be more than just stories. Be careful, Rook.
We're supposed to be safe in here, but I kind of feel like Fate's pretty happy to have all of us trapped in one place.
He's on the way. I want the airwaves open for support.
Copy that. We're monitoring all Peggy channels.
Relay to me what you find.
You got it.
No one else is going missing on my watch. Peggy told me they got 5 years worth of food stored underground. I'm having trouble getting my head around that. 5 years.
Your hard work paid off. We got the jail back.
I ain't much for prepping like some of the others around here, but I make do.
撳咗一下 F 掣，3部嘢爆咗完。係，我而家遠距離，佢哋見都見唔到我，佢哋就爆咗。同埋用直升機可以整爛晒佢個 no 啊！佢啲 alarm 係而家清一個 outpost 根本完全冇難度，超！係我真係絕對。
Practically a historical monument at this point. Good to see it back in the right hands.
There's a huge Peggy stash deep inside the old Bright Warden health mine. We're talking guns, ammo, stuff we need. Feels like we're constantly running low on supplies. I think we should take theirs.
Hey partner, it's me. I've ever played. Listen up. Zip came by again last night, foaming at the freaking mouth about Eden's Gate. How they're tainting all the animals with something called bliss or some such. I don't know. Look, I know the guy used to work for you back in the day, but he's gone AWOL with all the conspiracies. He just won't quit. Wants us to refuse the seeds and cut the animals loose. Says it's the only way to stop the globalist agenda. Yeah, right. Like we're gonna pass up the kind of cash the seeds are offering? Look, if he comes by again and I'm not around, just lie. Tell him exactly what he wants to hear and send him on his way. Don't let him get in your head.
Hear that?
You can't trust your eyes here.
Check it out! This game finally got her laughing and singing out of my head. Losing my faith has never felt so good.
I got a job for any volunteers. Hey, can you help me out?
Great way to spot an outsider who makes his teeth beat up.
violence is with more violence. It's sad, but it's what we gotta do.
Welcome to the bliss. You've been invited into our home, into our heart. Trust in the path and you'll find the answers you seek. Even those who fight against us seek salvation. You're proof of that. We all need guidance in times like these.
So we must be strong. We must be vigilant.
Now you'll see.
Because those on the outside will see what we have built here together in our new Eden. Love. And they will come. And they will try to take from us all that we have built. To judge me. And judge us. The things that we have done. People say that I'm crazy. But when you wake up in the morning, you look at the same news that I do. Do your eyes not fill with horror?
This is the world? This is the world we built for our children? Communities being torn apart? Walls being erected because leaders are too impotent to act. Bullies are too adult to lead righteously.
I did not ask for this. I was chosen. See, everything's coming to an end. You can feel that. I know you can. See, mankind is weak and vulnerable. And we are hurtling towards our destruction and no one is willing to do anything about it. I can see that. You can see. But we are not crazy. So what are we supposed to do? We just sit back and await the inevitable? I claim to be a perfect man. But I saw what was coming and I chose to act, to lead. Because society is broken. And the only way forward is to go back to the way things once were. Innocent and pure. So safe and protected in our garden. I can save you. You have to have faith.
I need you calm and still.
Jesus Christ, you scared the shit out of us.
Hey, Sheriff. A couple didn't make it back. Boys said...
Anybody grab Burke?
Brady, supposedly, but...
Well, where the hell's Grady? Ah, Jesus. No, you just relax. Lie back. I'll see you in the morning.
You come out of the bliss too fast. Shit's liable to scramble your fucking brains.
My grandpa busted out of here way back when. I'd never been born if he'd stayed in here.
Hey there, doll.
You might even be impressed with your old man. I've had everyone wearing your
most of my laps. I put my shoe liners to good use.
I thought we lost you to that bliss, deputy. Thank God for that sheriff of yours. See what you can do to help these folks out.
有 helicopter 有冇 helicopter？